This is part 2 of the Christmas clearance videos. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure that you look in the description and I will go ahead and link it below. And if you have, make sure you continue watching to watch for the great deals. Oh, that was such a much needed break. I was so hungry. Anyway, let's go ahead and head over to Hobby Lobby and see what we can find. I can definitely tell you this, we hit the Christmas clearance jackpot. As soon as I walked in, there was a sign, 75% off all remaining clearance. So look at this beautiful velvety pillows. One was gold, the other one was a deep red. They were originally $21.99. Here are these cute little ceramic Christmas trees. These are battery operated, and the regular price on that is $19.99. This mug reminded me of the blue ones with the white speckles that you go camping with. And this one says, cold hands, a warm heart. And here is a red and black gingham mug for $10.99. And this little bowl with a lid on it is actually a chocolate chip bowl. Here's one that says peppermint chips. And as you can see, both of them were listed at $15.99. And here are a few kitchen items. This is a table runner with the Santa belt and fur. These are actually some kitchen towels. Now these oval mini bakers come in a set of 4. They are part of the porcelain collection from Holiday Charm. And these little mini espresso cups are actually salt and pepper shakers. Since I didn't post a Hobby Lobby Christmas decor video, I'm going to show you as much as I can. Now they are still unloading a lot of boxes. And here they have these beautiful red glasses. It is glass, and these are listed at $13.99 each. This is similar to what I was looking for at TJ Maxx, and the same thing happened here. There were only 3. And also from the Holiday Porcelain Collection, you've got 4 pan-shaped mini tasters. And these were $11.99. And let me just quickly show you some of the additional kitchen items they still have on their shelves. And by Ray Dunn, you've got 2 of the stemless glasses. And one says Joy and the other says Believe. And the regular price on that is $24.99. Now I am genuinely drawn by this deep red color this year. You can see the outer part of this tray is black. It's like a matte black. And this is only $11.99. And of course, with the discount, it would be much less. And let me quickly show you more of their kitchen items. And by Robert Stanley, which as you can see, there is plenty of that brand here at Hobby Lobby. This is actually a salt and pepper shaker. They still have a lot of Pez dispensers, and as you can see here, they've been reduced to $1.09. And here's another mug that has that like camping look to it. It says, I love hot chocolate, and the regular price on that is $9.99. And as you may or may not know, I love stacking mugs. So here is a set of 2. These are a little bit larger. The regular price was $17.99. And look at how many greeting cards they still have. And they definitely have plenty of gift bags and boxes and wrapping paper. So I will quickly show you what they have. And as you can tell, they have plastic, and this is more of a canvas fabric. I was really surprised to see this. This is package decor, and what I loved about this, first of all, it's wood, and secondly, the holes are not punched through the wood, so you can definitely make some beautiful DIY pieces with these pre-cut wordings. And let me quickly show you how much they are still unboxing. And here are some adorable ceramic pieces. This one is a little trailer. This one actually lights up. And this beautiful ceramic snowman is actually a spoon rest. And along the lines of ceramic, here are some ceramic Santa mugs. And these are listed each at $13.99 minus the 75%. And they definitely had a wall filled with Christmas tree skirts and stockings. A lot of these items did match. And as you can see here, these are the different designs that they carry. And this beautiful pink stocking, even though it says baby's first Christmas. Now this is only $10.99, which I thought the price in itself was already good, but you can cut off that little tag because it's only being held by a piece of ribbon. So this is gorgeous, and the quality was wonderful. And of course, all of these pillows, and as you can see here, again, they are definitely fully stocked. These tree toppers are actually from the Christmas shop collection. And this light up ceramic piece was beautiful. It's a barn, it's got a horse with a little cat and dog. I thought it was just absolutely adorable. And the regular price on that is $35.99. Now, again, they do have so many items as it pertains to tree decorating. Here are some of the picks, like a floral picks. Lots of mesh and ribbon still left over. And if you're looking for floral picks, look at the price, $1.99, and it's 75% off. And they definitely have plenty of garland, and look at these hanging decorations. And let me show you their ornaments. They had a lot of them. And if you enjoy baking or entertaining, here they have a lot of wonderful ideas. Look at this little bowl, lots of plasticware, serving dishes, lots of containers you can use for those parties. And they have the clear ornaments if you like to decorate them yourself. Now, I did end up walking towards the back of the store, and I actually ran into some fall products that were at 90% off. So if you're still looking for fall products, you may want to take a look over at Hobby Lobby and check out your store, because 90% is a huge discount. I actually purchased these for my fall haul video, and these are only 69 cents now. And as I was leaving, I happened to see a lot of framed and woodwork still available. By far, Hobby Lobby beat out everybody. They have so much product, and it's 75% off, and they still have boxes and boxes that they are still unpacking and putting on the clearance aisles. Anyway, there was so much. I wish that there would have been a fourth glass hands down, I would have bought it. That's exactly what I was looking for. As far as the color, I wanted it a little bit more blingy, but just like at TJ Maxx, there were 3, so that's okay. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's very, very dark. I'm trying to find good lighting. You guys have an absolute wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video. I did happen to go into JoAnn Fabrics, and I am going to go ahead and include it in this video. They did let me know that everything is 70% off until it is all gone. And this is all of their Christmas products and their ornaments. And this will include their home decor. And as you can see, they still have plenty of ornaments. And here they have a lot of pillows still left over. And here they have this 3-piece set. It's plate, bowl, and a little cup. And here are some of their kitchen towels. And definitely a lot of stockings still left over. And when I got there, they were still putting out more product. They were rearranging things. So I'm going to try and show you as much as I can, but definitely check out your JoAnn Fabrics store and see what kind of clearance they have, because they did let me know that it was going to go on until the product was gone. And here they have their own little collection of bottle brush trees. And here they have a lot of kitchen and bathroom towels. As you can see, JoAnn Fabrics carries the brand Place and Time, and the quality of these towels are really elevated. A lot of embroidery throughout. Now, these forest animals are by Bloom Room, and they are beautiful. I love the embellishment. Some of them reminded me of the ones that I saw at Michael's during my Christmas decor video. Okay, so let me move on to the home decor. Look at these beautiful glass round, they almost look like ornaments. It has the word peace on it. These are by Place and Time, which I did find out that Place and Time is private label for JoAnn Fabrics. And moving over to their greenery area, and here they have the kissing balls. Some of them call them greenery balls. And here's this beautiful hanging arrangement. And they still have a lot of beautiful wreaths. They have a lot of floral picks and garland. Look at these. I'm just in awe with the quality and the detail that's on these items. And let me just bring some of these up close for you. And like I mentioned, JoAnn Fabrics still has a lot of beautiful wreaths and garland. And here they have some of the smaller trees. Some are potted, some of them are wrapped with burlap. And here are some of their larger ones. If you're looking for some of the large wooden signs, they still have plenty of those. And lots of bows. Now, I do believe that these are the largest doormats that I've seen since I've been out recording some of these Christmas videos. And they definitely have plenty of gift wrapping, gift boxes. They have beautiful gift boxes. Look at this one. And of course, we wouldn't be at JoAnn Fabrics if we did not have a lot of beautiful printed ribbon to choose from. Now, at the time of the recording, I did find that the candles were actually 60% off. And definitely go back to JoAnn Fabrics to see if the candles are now at 70% off to match the rest of the Christmas clearance. And they do have a lot of unique garland. When I saw this, I immediately thought like a warm, cozy cabin. I thought it was stunning. And along with Christmas lights, they still have boxes of the traditional round ornaments. And again, these are all by place and time here at JoAnn Fabrics. And I will bring these up close so you can look at some of the detail and the designs on the ornaments themselves. And here they have a pretty large variety of hanging jingle bells and the regular bells that you could probably hang just on a door or even a decoration on your wall. And I did round the corner and found a wall full of all of these creative, beautiful ornaments. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all of these ornaments so that you can see these beautiful, beautiful pieces that they have here at JoAnn's. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and end this video. I definitely hope that you've enjoyed watching all of the different stores that have their Christmas clearance. And if you're out there shopping, let me know. I would love to hear the great deals that you guys have picked up. And remember to hit that subscribe button. Definitely leave me comments down below. Let me know if you like this video. I absolutely have such a wonderful time putting these together for you. And if you have found some other great deals for Christmas clearance, let me know because I would love to hear what you have found. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you all in the next video.